Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Uh, Today I thought I would do another short unboxing of a new power bank. This one just arrived yesterday in the mail. It is from Anker. It is the PowerCore III Sense 20K. It is a 20,000 milliamp power bank. Um, it does say that it has 20 watts fast charging on the USB-C port. It does feature a USB-C port, which is both input and output, and two USB-A outputs. So you can charge devices from them. You can charge the power bank through them, only through the USB-C. Now, as you can see, this one is the box. It is a very nice presentation from Anker. There's a tab here which you can open it. It is held on by two magnets. You can open this up and just view the power bank. Also a few aspects about the power bank, pictures, and some description about it. It is a very nice presentation, as I said. You can also find this one online. It is about 45 to 46 bucks. At least that's how I found it. I will leave a link in the description for this. So okay, let's begin the unboxing. It does have a pull tab over here, so it can make it easier for you to open it up. All right. Now, it does come in the box with a few instructions manuals, a carrying pouch or sleeve, I'm guessing, which is really nice to have. All right, let's flip this one over. Here we have the power bank itself. It is quite slim for a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. Okay, and in this bag you have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Alright, now let's have a look at it. It is a nice denim-like material on the top. You have the power button up here with 4 LEDs. It is fully charged, as you can see. So yeah, 100%, 75, 50, and I'm guessing 25 to 0%. So yeah, nothing too fancy. Up top, the USB-C charging port, which is input and output, and two USB-A ports for charging your devices. Now, compared to similar power banks from other manufacturers which offer similar capacity to this one is quite slim, and it is a lot more pocketable and easier to hold in the hand. Now, if you want to transport it, if you don't want it to scratch up a lot on this back plastic, you can use the sleeve if you want to. You just put it in there, and there we go. It is a bit more protected. Yeah, you can also leave this one, the top of it, just loose and put up cables in there and charge up like that. Or you can just tighten the string and just have it in a pouch. Yeah, I enjoyed the package on this one, especially for the price. So yeah, as I said, just a short unboxing and presentation of the power bank. Now, what it does say around here, you have 20 watts charging on the USB-C port, up to 20 watts charging on the USB-C port, and up to 18 watts charging on these two USB-A ports. Now this is shared between them, so in total it is 18 watts from what I'm guessing on the description on the box on the website. But yeah, I think this is plenty enough to have with you. Now if you want, you can buy 2 of these, have them in your backpack, and not worry about having your devices being discharged. It does take up to 3 or 4 hours to charge up the power bank, depending on where you have it charged up. If you have it charging up on the USB from your computer, it'll take a bit longer. But if you have a power cord which does support fast charging, you can charge this battery up much faster. I'm guessing about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So yeah. Alright, well, that's about it for the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Alright, see ya guys.